Welcome to Set English YouTube Guide. Step 1. Why English is your friend. English is like a key. It can open doors to a bigger world. With English, you can talk to more people. You can travel to new places. You can even get a better job. Learning English is a journey. It's okay to start slow. Every new word you learn is a step forward. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. We all make mistakes when we learn something new. The important thing is to keep trying. Step 2. Easy tips to speak English better. Do you like music? Listen to English songs. It's a fun way to learn new words. Watching English movies and TV shows helps too. You can learn how people speak in real life. Talking to yourself in English is a great idea. You can practice anytime, anywhere. Find a language partner. Talking to someone who speaks English well will help you improve faster. Step 3. Practice like you mean it. Think of learning English like learning to play a sport or a musical instrument. You need to practice regularly to get better. The more you use English, the more natural it will feel. Don't be afraid to speak English, even if you're not perfect. Set small goals for yourself. For example, try to learn 5 new words every day. Or try to watch one English TV show episode each week. Step 4. You can do it. Learning English takes time and effort, but it's definitely worth it. Remember to celebrate your progress. Every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Keep believing in yourself. You can do it. Thanks for watching. And subscribe to my YouTube channel.